Hello once again, and thank you for viewing this video. M. Sloan Consulting has been retained to sell, on behalf of a major mining company, this 1998 Komatsu D575. It's got 1,150 horsepower, with 140 tons operating weight, and less than 8,000 hours. The location of this equipment is in UAE. Asking price is $820,000 and is negotiable. Seller will also consider a lease-buy option with approved credit. Accessories and attachments are 8 m by 4 m blade, 4 BBL MS ripper, air-conditioned ROPS cab, and 885 mm tracks. This is the largest, most productive bulldozer in the world. It is American-owned, in perfect condition, and well-maintained in the U.S. Full maintenance history is available. Undercarriage is 85%. The blade was never used, only the rippers. For more information on this sale, visit our website www.msloanconsulting.com or contact Mike Sloan through this email address, msloan@msloanconsulting.com. Thank you.